Consistency is very important, and this is one of the video whereby I will begin to tell you of how important consistency is for you as a content creator. So, and I know there are a lot of people who are telling you recently about consistently. You have to post consistently, but you will begin to wonder and ask questions like, is it that I should be posting every day, or I should be posting once in a week, or I should be posting? What is the definition of this consistency thing they are telling me? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what anybody means by consistency on YouTube.
Tubemetrixx. Decoding the algorithm, dominating the game.
So consistency is not just about the time factor, but the energy and effort that is allocated into a single thing that you keep doing again and again. I think that is the basis of it. If you're watching for the first time, this is Tubemetrixx, and here we make sure that your YouTube grows, right? So what is consistency? Consistency actually means doing one single thing for a dedicated time for a long time. I think that is the whole summary of everything. But in this YouTube space and in this YouTube algorithm, one of the things you need to understand is that consistency go beyond just doing one thing for a long time, but it goes to searching for the right knowledge for a long time. I don't know whether you understand me. So you are showing up every day or once in a week, but you are also researching what works. That is consistency. So it's not just about posting videos. It's all about knowing YouTube, getting to familiarize yourself with YouTube, getting to know other content creators, knowing what works, knowing what is trending, knowing the videos you are supposed to make each time you want to post. So that is for that. Secondly, consistency is not about posting every day. If you have a lot of schedule and you will not want to post every day, it doesn't mean you are going to fail on YouTube. And that's the truth. It's just that you should just give a specific amount of time that you know that your viewers will be available to watch your video, and you post at that time. For example, you can say I'm going to be posting long-term videos 3 times in a week, once in a week. I believe when Mark Edges started posting on YouTube, he was only posting every Friday. Are you seeing it? And he was still getting his views. So it's just all about the value you have to offer people. It's not about the days that you post. Then you will see other people who are posting every day and it is still working for them. It's still consistency. The fact that they say, okay, I'm going to be posting every day, it's still work, it's still consistency. So I think the whole idea about consistency on YouTube is not just that you are posting every day, and it's not just that you are posting once in a week or 3 times in a week. It's just that you are posting frequently with a scheduled time that your viewers can expect your video and get it. That's all. I think that's what is consistency, because YouTube is all about psychology. You are going to be communicating with your viewers. You are going to be having appointment with your viewers. They will have to expect your video each time at the time allocated. I think that is what consistency is.
Tubemetrixx. Decoding the algorithm, dominating the game.